Stunning allegations made by attorneys representing the suspect accused in the Delphi killings, allegations that claim this was a case of ritualistic killing committed by cultists. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Bob Donaldson.
I'm Debbie Knox, and the allegations made by Richard Allen's attorneys come in more than 100 pages of court documents filed today. Those court documents lay out a stunning new theory for the deaths of Abby Williams and Libby German. CBS 4's Eric Graves starts our team coverage for us tonight.
In 136 pages of court documents filed Monday, Richard Allen's defense attorneys claim Abby Williams and Libby German were killed by a group of Odinists, and their client Richard Allen is innocent.
It's pretty shocking, really.
Odinism is a newer religion based on Old Norse concepts. Odinists have also been associated with white supremacist groups in America.
Because these religions are reconstructions, they are really flexible in ways that are both good and bad.
The reason Allen's lawyers think Odinists are responsible for the killings is based on the murder scene. For the first time, we have details on that scene, with court docs saying Abby and Libby's bodies were found posed away from where they were killed, with clothing changed and sticks arranged on and around their bodies. Court docs also say there was a symbol resembling a letter F drawn in blood on a nearby tree. Chad Bauman, a professor of religious studies at Butler, says there have been murderers before who based their violence on their Odinist beliefs, but not ritual sacrifice, to his knowledge.
The closest thing that you might find among some Odinists is that there is some animal sacrifice of, say, chickens or sheep or goats.
Allen's attorneys go on to name their own suspects, one who they say had a son who was dating one of the girls at the time of the killings. They say these suspects were all Odinists, were close to the scene of the crime, and at least one knew secret information about the crime scene. Former FBI agent and now private investigator at Veracity IIR Doug Coons, who is not associated with the case, says you can tell a lot of time and research went into the documents.
I assume, these are attorneys. They've done their homework, they've done their own investigations, and so you have no reason to doubt, what they put in there.
As to why investigators didn't pursue the Odinist theory further, court docs say a Purdue expert told investigators the crime scene had nothing to do with cult activity based on sketches of the scene. Part of this filing is also once again asking for Richard Allen to be moved from Westville Correctional Facility, this time alleging Odinite connections to the prison as well as mistreatment for Allen.
Yeah, and I have never heard of Odinism before. This is the first time, but we're learning here. And what are the Odinism connections to the Westville Correctional Facility that these attorneys are alleging?
Essentially, they're saying the court documents say prison guards wore patches that appeared to show Odinist symbols on them, including one that reportedly said, "In Odin we trust." Allen's defense attorneys allege these guards are also mistreating Allen and tasing him. The documents say two guards are always within earshot when Allen is talking to his attorney or his family, and Allen once mumbled in an incoherent fashion that Odinites were threatening him. That is directly from the court documents, Debbie.
All right. Eric Graves, very interesting. Thank you very much.
Defense